Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is an awesome one. Jenn as Kazemum's 1,000 subscriber giveaway, and that is the layout we are going to do. So, what is happening is today there is a ton of us, and all of the description, all of us will be linked down below. And what we needed to do was that we needed to go through Jennifer's Instagram, YouTube, whatever, find a layout to scrap lift. And I will tell you this, I found this layout and I watched the YouTube channel for Jenn, and I love the story behind this layout, and I wanted to do it. And the one thing that she also does is that she does stretch the sketch as well, and that's another little like hop thing that she does with a bunch of ladies. And I was like, you know what, I am going to do the same. I'm going to take that 12 by 12 layout and I'm going to turn it into a traveler's notebook. So that's what I did. And the photo represents the me going to school for the very first time and actually transitioning from being in retail 24/7, 365 days a year, to I'm going to teach and finish last year's school year out and then ultimately get the contract that I have now for a full-time position in 3rd grade. Now, when I started teaching, I was a substitute teacher all the way up until March of 2019, and then I became a teacher's aide in 1st grade at the school that I am teaching full-time at now. And I happened to have my daughter take this photo for me, and I just absolutely love how it turned out. She does a really good job for me, and I just wanted to, scrapbook this, obviously, because I have done some substitute pictures in my traveler's notebook, and this traveler's notebook is my selfie or my self-reflection notebook. And the story behind Jenn's layout, which you need to really watch Jenn's layout, because us as women, we forget to self take care of ourselves. We all know this. And it's hard for women that are moms, wives, all of this. We are, we push ourselves. We make sure that everything is taken care of, and we always forget about us, right? So when I was hearing her story, I was like, a lot of people forget or feel not comfortable talking about it, where for me, I will tell you straight out, like, you need to do it. Whether you like it or not, you should do it. You have to do it. You need to take care of yourself, because those are the times where if you don't, you can possibly hurt yourself. And let me tell you, when I found out that I had carpal tunnel, I was not a happy camper about it. I mean, I've always taken care of myself, but you also have to look at it that, you know what? I can't help this. It happens. There's nothing I can do about it. And it comes with the territory. I am a tech savvy person. I'm very much in the technology world. I know just about anything. I can talk to anybody over the phone, etc., and I can pretty much do what I need to do and help that person out because I'm a tech savvy person. Now, would I have thought that I would have gotten carpal? No. But you have to take care of yourself. And a lot of women tend to forget to do that, and because they want to take care of everybody else, because that's just in our nature. And so you just have to follow her story as well. And so when I heard that layout to do that one, I was like, yep, that's perfect. That is what I want to do. And that is what I decided to do as well. And then I decided to take it one step further and stretch it like she does, because she absolutely, I love that series that quite a bit of the ladies that are on this hop is also does the stretch to sketch. I just love how they take those sketches and stretch them to whatever size that they want to. So I decided to mingle that all together and do that. So this is a pretty quick layout because obviously you guys know my traveler's notebooks don't take me all that long. And Jenn is doing a giveaway. So make sure that you go check out hers for sure, which is going to be linked down below. She should be the first one on there. And you got to make sure that you go check it out. Check out everybody's. Like and subscribe to all of us because we all love Jenn. I love Jenn. She's an amazing person. She's got such a wonderful personality. And this is why I love this industry. I get to meet so many people on here. And even though that we have never met in real life, I just know that if we did to grab some coffee or something, she would just blow me away with her loving personality. And I'm just using my hip kit from April's hip kit. That's what I'm using here for my traveler's notebook. And this has got a lot of Jenn Hadfield and those types of papers, all of that kind of stuff. I'm just kind of just now going through everything and making sure I do everything and whatnot. And I will state this. Now, what I decided to do is that in this particular layout, I followed one of the challenges over at the Secret Not Secret Kit Club. It was for the May, the end of the month for May's crop that she does over there. And it was to pick 3 colors and put them on my layout. And that's what I did. So the green, the yellow, and the pink. Those are the 3 colors that I had to work with. And I figured, you know what? It works out perfect because this collection actually has all 3 colors. And I never really had to try to make it really work because it was already there for me. So it worked out even better yet. And now I'm just kind of putting things. I'm not doing any journaling. I'm just going Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And that's kind of like my title. I'm not really, I've already done quite a bit of layouts about my teaching career. I just wanted to get this scrapped because you got to remember about yourself and you've got to remember to take care. I mean, as long as we're taking care of others, but you have to come first because if you don't, how can you take care of others? And I'm just going through a little bit of the ephemera pack and just looking to see what else I can do on there. Now, I am also going to pick this little raccoon little guy there and put that on there just to make it work, to make it look cute. I just love how it turns out. And let's see here. I'm looking to make sure that we have to, so what you have to do is that in this hop, make sure you check out everybody, like and subscribe to everybody. And then the very last thing, you need to check her channel for the details of what the giveaway is for. She has not released what it is yet, so you got to go check it out. And that is how you get to be able to participate in her layout or in her giveaway because she hit 1,000 subscribers. I always love it when we can hit 1,000 subscribers because that first milestone is huge and then it just flourished from there. So here I am, I'm splattering and then I'm almost done. Make sure that you, if you are new, please hit that subscribe button and that bell. I do upload between 2 to 3 times a week. Obviously here I'm doing Traveler's Notebook, I do design team layouts and also 12 by 12 layouts. I hope that you guys are all staying safe, and I will talk to you soon. Bye!